welcome back. Welcome to my video. I realized I never actually introduced myself because I don't know why saying my name to the camera feels very cringe. But then I feel like I'm already doing YouTube. I'm like, it doesn't get any worse than that. So my name's Mira and thank you for watching. I'm just gonna start with my name. Oh, another reason I didn't say my name is because I assume most of my viewers were from my Instagram, which is where I link my videos. So I just assumed people already knew me. But I was looking at the stats and many people are strangers. Like they're from, well, thank you for watching if you're a stranger, but a lot of them are not people I know. It's a bit rude because like, I thought more people on my Instagram would care. It's okay. Now I ruined his good taste. I just came back from uni and we're gonna do a very exciting unboxing. Oh. Unboxing. I already know what it is. I ordered Japanese food online because I've had enough. When I first came to the UK, I didn't even come with a rice cooker because I convinced myself I'm gonna be like the salad pasta girl. The truth is, I'm just not that person. Like, I've tried it, I've tried to pray, but I'm a pasta person. But before a pasta person, I'm a rice person. We got miso paste, seaweed. Oh, I love these. They go with rice. Like you like sprinkle them on rice and they're the best thing. Well, to be fair, I prefer the Korean version of these. But it's a Japanese market and they're not selling anything Korean, so I guess I have to make do. Cute. I also got kelp flakes to sprinkle in my miso soup. Miso soup. Sprinkle, sprinkle. This is gonna be my back to UK vlog. I actually arrived in the UK last week and I tried filming last week, but I got sad. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I think I'm homesick. Which I know it's like embarrassing, or it's not embarrassing if you have homesick, if you feel homesick. I think it's embarrassing that I feel homesick. Like, first of all, I've been here like 5 years now. It's a bit late, but yeah, welcome to my first week back in UK. Let's get changed. Let's go make some dinner. I'm making shrimp and it says that it's ready to cook. Okay, I bought this and she said, look, do you see it? You can't really see it, but it says ready to cook, prepared. But this is their intestine. Like, do people eat it in? Like, how do you not take it out? Clean poo-poo.
everyone's saying that I don't feed Dobby. I feed Dobby. He ate already. He's had a ton of treats.
Good morning. I woke up late and now I'm gonna get ready and head out because I have a lot of work to do before my class at 5 and I haven't done any, so.
But basically, the trustee, beneficiary, is entitled to benefit. And in turn, of course, the beneficiary is clear understanding really has to be three parties and their relationship to each other. Legal and beneficiary trustee, in order to create the trust, they need to come to terms with process. But having talked about how great trusts are, I think it would be helpful to actually have a bit is to hear if there's anything more about it. We will.
Não me interessa, eu tô indo pra praia. Não me interessa. Não me interessa, eu tô indo pra praia. Não me
I'm really trying to take it. No, but like I'd rather be done with it by like December and that way.
Take a picture or whatever.
pra praia. Não. Indo pra praia. Não me interessa, eu tô indo pra praia. Não.
I just got back from my class. I have no idea what happened in the class. I was just really hungry. So we're gonna go make dinner now. I should have my vlogs just me eating. I was gonna say I do more than that, but I'm thinking about it. I'm not sure if I do. At least I eat good.
Não me interessa, eu tô indo pra praia. Não me interessa. Tô indo pra praia. Não me interessa.
Sometimes glorifying the experience of residencies. I know. Social media just glorifies everything, and I'm definitely guilty of kind of doing that, where it's like in my mental space, I'm like not doing the greatest, but like on social media, it looks like I'm having a fun time. So I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys. The different ones that I've done are like the rural ones, where you like travel to like a rural place, or just travel to a place, and then I don't know if geographical stuff has to do anything with it, but I get in person, in real life, and online, I get a lot of comments saying like, oh hey, you kind of resemble Bjork, or Bjork.
Hi guys, welcome back to Get On Ready With Me. This is kind of the end of my week. It's Thursday, but I don't have any lesson tomorrow, so technically my weekend starts now. I've actually managed to go to most of my class this week, which I personally think is really impressive because my track record, I'm pretty sure my attendance is probably like 10%. And that's probably more than what it is from last 2 years. But you know what? I made it this far, so something is working. I don't know why I get really bad anxiety in uni, which is funny because I'm scared of the amount of people in uni halls, as if I don't come from Hong Kong where you literally can't walk to places without stepping on people's feet. I mean, maybe I'm just being dramatic, but it scares me to go to class. So I stopped going to lectures and now I only go to seminars. And even seminars I find it very hard because I'll have to speak, and when I have to speak in class, I literally, my heart beats so fast, I also start sweating and my face gets really red. And I'm sure people can tell because I can feel my cheeks and ears burning up, and it's really embarrassing. You know those New Year resolutions? Or like new semester resolution that's like, I'm gonna start going to classes every day and do like 20 questions. Like, I've accepted that it's just not gonna happen to me. I'm just gonna take it one step at a time. Like, if I got up out of bed this morning, I'm already proud of myself. And I did, so. I get so scared at uni here, I can't film anything at all. When I do, it's mostly because there's no people around me. I don't know why, because in Hong Kong, I can literally do the tube girl video in Hong Kong and I will not care at all. Speaking of the tube, there's bed bugs on the tube in Paris and now in London. I'm so scared. What if they come to Bristol? Bed bugs feel like those things that's like not, well, it's not real, but you don't think it will be you, but now it could actually be me. Thank God I don't actually leave my house. I escaped cockroach, but at what cost? We're gonna do something fun tonight. You may be like, what is this? But do not be scared. It's a bucket. This is probably one of the most Asian thing I've done. Basically, you soak your feet in a hot bucket. A bucket of hot water. And it's supposed to, as girls, to help with your period cramps and stuff. You want your whole body to be warm. So it brings the heat up through your feet. And let's try that out. I can't believe I lived a year without it. I used to sit on my sink, no, sit next to my sink and put my feet in the sink to do it. And honestly, it was such a hazard. Before you come for me, this is actually the best thing ever. And you know what? Do not come for me if you haven't tried it.
Absolutely. What the heck? So they have Carnival when we were there. I think it's Carnival. And essentially, like this.
Hey guys. I just wanted to add that it is an actual practice of Chinese medicine within Chinese medicine. I'm not just making stuff up. Although I tend to do that sometimes, but this, I'm not just making stuff up. So yeah, you can do a research about the actual benefit from it if you really want to give it a try. I recommend it. Like right now I just finished and I feel warm from like the bottom of my feet. Well, I guess because I put it in hot water for the past 20 minutes, but it feels great. You should definitely give it a go. Not certified opinion. Do not quote me on it for legal reason. For any reason, don't quote me on that. Yeah.